Hi, my name's Anna, one of the teachers from Skype English School, here to work on some more perfect pronunciation. And today we're going to be focusing on being able to pronounce the consonant sound of D or D. So we're going back to basics with that D sound. This is the voiced equivalent of T. So the tongue will start in the same position against the alveolar ridge. The lower is pulled down and the tongue withdrawn from the ridge to release the pressure. This is a voice sound and there is no rush of air but only a tiny explosion. And don't forget to check on your vibration. You should feel this letter when you say it. And don't forget to lengthen any vowel sound immediately before the D. And let's look at some examples. The long vowel. Do, dreary, bed, date, day, drab, road, daughter, dog, drive, afraid, don't. And sometimes the D is silent. Handsome, grandmother, handkerchief, grandfather, handcuff, Wednesday. And here are some more examples. Past tense after a voiced consonant. Lived, saged, seized, called, banged, waged. And after a T and a D, it becomes like an id sound. Wanted, patted, added, landed, waited, acted, loaded, ended. And don't forget to lengthen the vowel if it's followed by a voiced consonant. Tame, mate, time, spite, tram, mat, toll, coat, dame, maid, dime, spied, dram, mad, dole, code. And of course, practice makes perfect. All dressed up like a dog's dinner. Never say die until you're dead. Between the devil and the deep blue sea. Dull as ditch water. Dead as a doornail. And that's it for our work on the letter D.